TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. 2 p.m. Eastern Time, 2 hours left to go until that closing bell. And let's check in on the markets as all major indices dramatically in the green. Dow Jones up 305 points, trading at 24,665. S&P's positive by 28, trading at 2685. And the NASDAQ positive by 67, trading at 2685. On a percentage basis, taking a look at those indices, you get the Dow leading the way up 1.26%, S&P's up 1.12%, and the NASDAQ up 0.95%. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform and check in on some of those futures markets with 2 hours left to go until the closing bell. Started off with the NASDAQ 100, currently sitting at 6704. Quite a run we had from the lows of the session at about 11:15 a.m. Eastern Time. 6640 we were down at. Currently a good 64 points above that level. Pretty dramatic. That's almost a full percent from about 11 a.m. until currently 2 right now. S&P 500 didn't have quite the dive the NASDAQ did. Still quite an acceleration we've had since right after the opening bell. We were down there for a low of 2666. We're up a solid 20 points from that level, 2685 in the S&Ps. Dow 30, not really a low as much as just coming into that open, 24,453, up a solid 180 points from that level. We were already coming into the open up about 100 points in the Dow, currently trading 24,632. Gold contract bouncing around $13.50 this afternoon, currently sitting $13.50 and 60 cents. Crude oil bouncing around as well. Pretty tight trading range on crude. We'll get the API inventories tomorrow, being Tuesday after the closing bell. And of course, EIA numbers Wednesday at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Crude sitting 66.36. And Bitcoin, as we speak, getting a little bit of a bid, climbing above 8,049 in Bitcoin. So it's earnings season. And what do we have after the bell today? We have Netflix earnings after the bell. 4:05 Eastern Time. Expect Netflix to report their earnings. Netflix so far today down pretty dramatically, down about 1.26% or about $4, trading at $307.71. Should be an interesting earnings report and see how Netflix is doing. Stay tuned. We got our man David White coming up right now at the Power Trading Hour. And of course, Tom O'Brien live to finish the day out from 3 till 5 Eastern Time. Have a great afternoon, everybody. Stay tuned. David White coming up right now.